Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be walking you through the process of installing Nox Player on your Mac. So, without further ado, let's start it. To begin, please click on the Download button to download Nox Player. I have already downloaded the file. That's why I am not downloaded again. Once the download is finished, navigate to your download folder and double-click on the file. Here, double-click on Nox icon again. Click Open. Now click on Install, to start the installation process. Click on Start. Here, wait few moments until the process is completed. If you face Nox Player stuck at 99% problem, check I button, to fix this. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Nox Player on your Mac. Now, you can download any Android apps from Play Store, and use it on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.